Wait, balik lang ako sa una. Naririnig na po ba ako ng maayos? Teka lang. Ayan. Ayan, naririnig na ako. Thank you Chris for informing me na wala pala kayong naririnig. Sige, anyway, I'll go back. So ayan. Magandang araw ulit. Sorry, nagsasalita ako, hindi ko alam, hindi pala ako naririnig. Anyway, yes, magandang araw sa lahat. And welcome once again to our Launch and Learn session. Teka lang, loud and clear. Okay, thank you, Gluster John. Right. Eps. Ayan, so ito po yung topic natin ngayon, so the high cost of waiting. Excited ba ang lahat for another learning session with us? Excited po ba? Pero before I will go into details, thank you Christine, we will go into details. Pakilala ko lang po ulit yung sarili ko. So ayun, my name is Maria Luisa Pumatong. I'm a Senior Marketing Director here in IMG and a Certified Life Insurance Underwriter and a Financial Literacy Advocate. So I used to work in a telecommunication company here in the Philippines for 13 years before retiring and pursuing a career with IMG as a financial educator. Ayan. And since I already mentioned na rin IMG, so let me just talk a little about our organization. So yeah, yes, as an organization, we have a mission. We have a mission in our crusade, and that is to help every Filipino family become financially educated, crusading to every individual and delivering the world's financial wake-up call. Okay? So ito din po si IMG, naging wake-up call din po siya sa akin. And very tawag dito, fit sa akin yung topic natin ngayon dahil isa din po ako dun sa mga taong, alam mo yon, hindi rin nag-umpisa ng maaga. Kaya masakit din na pag nagko-compete ka, ang laki pala ng nawala, no? Kapag ka nag-start tayo ng medyo late na sa savings natin. So ayun, as I mentioned, we want to deliver the world's financial wake-up call until no family, no friends, no relatives, no loved ones are left behind. So lahat po dito sa IMG ay kinakausap natin. No? All walks of life, wala tayong pinipili. So, ayun, everyone is welcome. So makinig lang po tayo. Lahat ng tinuturo naman natin dito sa IMG ay makuguluhan at alam mo yun, natutulungan tayo na umangat sa buhay. Since I started my journey here in IMG in 2017, so I have seen a lot of people. That have really been transformed. Alam mo yun, yung napago yung buhay, natupad yung mga pangarap, nagkaroon ng panibagong pag-asa sa mga pangarap. And I've seen a lot of people na 360 degrees turns yung ginawa talaga nila. They are changed from being a spender to a saver. And yun, okay, since this is a campaign and our commitment is to educate 30 million Filipino families by 2030. So nakikita niyo po yung counter. Ini-input po natin dyan lahat ng mga nakausap natin about ING, lahat ng yung mga na-discussan na rin natin about our mission, no? Nilalagay po natin dyan para ma-monitor din natin kung saan na ba tayo dun sa commitment natin na 30 million Filipino families. So ito po, kahapon ko lang yan in-update, nakapag-share na rin po tayo ng mission natin to more than 2 million Filipinos here and abroad. So marami na rin po, pero mahaba pa yung puntahan natin. So maganda if mas marami tayo, mas marami tayong makakausap. Okay po ba? So, kayo po na nandito, ibigay niyo po yung contact details ninyo and your email address to the person who invited you to this session para po kayo ay masama dito. Alright? Okay, so now, who wants to be a millionaire and who wants to have a million? Raise your hand. Ako dito nagre-raise din po ako ng kamay ko kasi gusto ko din magkaroon ng 1 milyon. Sino ba naman ang hindi? Teka lang at may nagpapa. Okay. Pero bakit ba gusto natin na marami tayong pera? Bakit? Natanong na rin ba natin sa mga sarili natin? Yung mga pera ba, yung gusto ba natin pera ay para lang for sa mga spending natin, para sa needs natin, di ba? So, tanungin natin, bakit gusto natin magkaroon ng pera? Well, people talaga, they want money because, totoo naman, it gives freedom and options in their life. Siyempre naman, no, kasi we use money every day. Kasama siya talaga sa financial decisions natin sa pang-araw-araw natin na buhay. Kasama talaga, di ba? Tapos, money gives people the means to, maybe ito, mga pangarap natin. They want to buy a house. We want to, siguro, bili din tayo ng sasakyan. May mga gusto natin na magkaroon. Siyempre, kailangan ng pera yon. And also, they want to travel the world. And isipin din natin na money as well can secure our financial well-being and our futures. So those who are married here and are planning to get married, we have to understand that it is important that maaga pa lang, we need to prepare for our kids' education. Diba? Isa yun. And to all of us na mga single, married, kung merong complicated, we all need to prepare for our retirement. Okay? Binanggit ko po to because, number one, lahat tayo may goals in life. Pero, alam ba natin how we can achieve our goal and how time can help us on our side. Okay. So, di ba gusto natin ng 1 milyon? Okay, ganito. Sabayan niyo ako mag-compute. Okay, if we're going to save 1 million straight up, walang interest. If you're, let's say if you're 25 years old, if you're 25 years old and your retirement age, you want to retire at age 60, so you will have 35 years. That you have 35 years, yung chance mo na makasave ng 1 million pesos. So how much money you need to put away? You need to set aside 2,380 monthly to be able to get to have 1 million until you are 60. Okay? So what if you delay? 35 ka na, tsaka ka palang sabi mo ay tsaka teka muna, YOLO muna ako, di ba? So 35 years old. Tsaka ka palang nag-start ng mag-save para sa retirement mo. Okay? So, kung 35 years old ka na, you will have 25 years para po ay makapag-save ka ng 1 million in 60 years. Pagdating mo ng 60 years old, sorry. Okay? So you need to set aside 3,333 monthly. Okay? 3,333 monthly. Para ma-reach mo yung goal mo na 1 million at age 60. Okay? And then what if you delay na naman another 10 years that you delay? So at age 45, you have to set aside 5,555 monthly to reach your goal. And what if you wait until you're 55? That's only 5 years away from your retirement age na gusto mo. Okay, so then you're going to need to set aside the 16,666 monthly. Ang tanong, kaya ba natin siyang masustain? Kaya it's best that we really need to start saving as soon as we get our first paycheck. So when you only have to we only have to put away or set aside fewer pesos for each month to reach our retirement goals. So, kung alam natin to, we don't have to pay the high cost of waiting. Sinasabi nila na high cost of waiting. Ayun. But what about if we enroll in IMG? Teka, nawala ba yung audio ko? Sorry, ngayon ko lang nabasa. Everyone, nandyan pa po ba yung audio ko? Naririnig pa po ba ako? Okay. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, James. So what if you enrolled in IMG and you are learning about savings because you have been attending our daily classes? Okay? So ito po, meron pong study na ginawa si Albert Einstein kung paano tayo na pwedeng mag-save na yung mag-grow yung pera natin. Okay? So ito po, ano ba yung formula niya? Wait lang po. Okay. The formula is 72 divided by interest rate. 72 is a constant number, okay? So, divide mo siya to interest rate na kung alin yung alam mo. Okay? And then, yung is equal to the number of years that your money will double. Okay? Ayan po yung study na ginawa ni isa sa mga greatest inventors natin na si Mr. Albert Einstein. So ayan. So the rule of 72, how money works? What if you know of a saving program that will give you 4% interest rate? Okay, so if you start at age 29, if you start at age 29, you just need to divide 72 divided by 4%, and that's equal to 18. Meaning 18 years po yung pera mo is dodoble. Okay, so in 18 years dodoble yung pera mo. From 29 years old, so at age 47, your money will double. Yung 100,000 mo magiging 200,000, right? And at age 65, yung 200,000 mo, of course, double rin siya. After 18 years, magiging 400,000. And what if there's another vehicle, investment vehicle that can give you more? Okay. What if you can find an investment vehicle that can give you 8%? So that's since constant is 72. So yeah, 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9, meaning every 9 years money doubles. Okay. So the same example, you start at age 29 with 100,000 savings. So at age 38, your money will come 200,000 pesos, okay? And at 47, magiging 400,000. At 56, magiging 800,000. And at age 65, you have 1.6 million. How about if meron pa, okay? Meron pang 12%, makapagbibigay sa'yo ng interest rate na 12%. So 72 divided by 12, that's 6. Ibig sabihin, every 6 years, your money will double, okay? So at age 29, you start with 100,000 pesos. At age 35, 6 years later, magiging 200,000 pesos. Fast forward, at age 65, you will have 6.4 million pesos. That's 6 million more if dun ka lang sa 4%. O, di ba maganda siya? So, yung pag mga ganito po, importante talaga na you are in a community like IMG para po tayo matuto. Para po tayo matuto at alam natin kung saan natin ilagay yung pera natin para mas mapabilis na matupad yung retirement goals po natin. Okay? So ito, ang sabi nga nila, time is money. Okay? Andito po, mayroon tayong comparison, si Mr. Start Early versus Mr. Wait Longer. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but here po, we can see that time talaga is money. Let's just say that you've been working for 6 years now, okay? And you are able to save 20,000 pesos each year. So your savings would have been 181,782, assuming you started your savings at age 22, okay? And that will become 564,580 in another 10 years. Okay? So fast forward po, at age 62, check how much money Mr. Wait Longer lost. That's close to 5 million. So if you can be able to save up, tawag dito, if you can be able to save up agad-agad, gawin na natin. Kasi mas lamang talaga kapag nag-start tayo ng maaga. The sooner you save, the better for your future. And what if you can be able to save a bigger amount? Can you imagine the possibilities? Okay? So ito, procrastination is the enemy of saving. So when people are young, they delay saving because they think they have a lot of time. Diba ganun parati eh. Sinasabi na, okay lang, bata pa naman ako, marami pa akong oras. No? Pero hindi natin alam na marami tayong oras na sinasayang. You know, delaying saving could cost you thousands or even millions of money. Like in the previous slide, Mr. Save Early versus, balikan ko yung previous slide, si Mr. Save Early versus Mr. Wait Longer or Mr. Save Later, they each invested 20,000 pesos. 20,000 pesos. The same amount lang naman yung sinisave nila in a period of 6 years. However, si Mr. Save Early started 6 months earlier. So, of course, at age 62, meron na siyang 9.5 million. Meanwhile, Mr. Save Later started saving 6 months later. So, when they both reached the age of 62, mas lamang si Mr. Save Early. Okay? So, almost 5 million po, higher than that of the saving of Mr. Save Later. So, what is your choice? You sacrifice now and then you enjoy later, tsaka ka na mag-YOLO-YOLO, or you enjoy now, YOLO muna, and then suffer later. Save now and enjoy later, spend now and suffer later. It's a matter of choice. Okay. Ito, and another way of having to have 1 million when we retire is through this program, okay? It is with Kaiser Healthcare Builder. They are one of our partners in IMG, and you just need to save for 7 years, then you will have a health savings funds after 20 years. Okay, so with this sample plan, you only need to save 58,821 annual, or that's 5,882 monthly, and you will have 1.1 million in 20 years. In 20 years po, kasi yung plan na ito is magmamature siya on the 20th year. Okay, so you can ask the person who invited you to discuss this further to you. This is a very good program. So wag yung tagalan. Pwede nyo agad na i-chat or tawagan nyo agad yung nag-invite sa inyo para i-discuss po sa inyo kung paano po ba magkaroon ng ganito, okay? So pero paano po kapag ginaya natin si Mr. Save Later or si Mr. Wait Longer? Okay, focus on the 196 per day. That's the same program dun sa previous slide na 5,882 monthly. Focus po tayo dyan because in the next slides, I will show you how much money you will lose when we delay. Okay? So ayan, if we start at 25 years old, like I mentioned kanina, on the 20th year, magmamature yung plan natin. So after 20 years, if you start at age 25, you will be 45 years old. You will have 1.1 million ready fund for your retirement. And 45 years old, bata pa naman yan eh. And what if you will retire at age 60? So you still have 15 years na yung pera mo, assuming na hindi mo muna siya galawin. Kasi of course, yung purpose naman natin dito is for retirement, right? So if for retirement, hayaan mo muna yung funds mo dyan, yung 1.1 million mo, and let it grow for 15 years. So at age 60, mag-retire ka na, may naghihintay sa'yo na 4.8 million. Okay? And then, what if you are still healthy at that time? Okay? So at age 65, at age 65, healthy ka pa, and hindi mo pa siya magagamit. So you will have yung potential growth ng savings mo na 196 pesos per day for 7 years only. Lalago po yan. Magiging 7.8 million. Okay? And what if you delay 10 years later pa? 10 years later. So at age 35 ka pa nag-start. So kung age 35, on the 20th year, 55 years old ka na. Okay? So at age 55, you will have 1.1 million. And since 55 ka na, you will only have 5 years more para you let your money grow pa. Okay? If in case hindi mo pa siya galawin din. So at age 60, may naghihintay sa'yo na 1.8 million comparing to if you save earlier, 10 years earlier, that's 4.8 million versus 1.8 million. How much money do you lose? Okay? So at age 65, kung nag-start ka ng 35 years old, meron kang 3 million. But if you started at age 25, you will have 7.8. If you have started age 25, you will have 7.8 million versus 3 million. That's 4.8 money loss. Sa 10 years lang na nag-delay ka. Okay? So what if you decided na 40 years old ka na tsaka ka palang nag-start, okay? So on the 20th year, you're already 60 years old. So at age 60, instead of having 4.8 million, 1.1 million na lang. And at age 65, pag 40 years old ka na nag-start, you will only expect of getting 1.8 million. But if you start at age 25, that's 7.8 million. How much money do you lose? 6 million din po yan. Okay? So, marami talaga tayong nasasayang pag hindi natin pinag-aralan, pag wala tayong alam sa ganito. Kaya importante, kaya we are recruiting, we are encouraging people to join ING para tayo ay matuto. Mag-attend po tayo ng mga seminars natin para tayo lahat ay matuto. Okay? So, bakit ba nagkaganon? Ganon talaga. Math doesn't lie. Hindi natin makakaila yan. And that's because of the power of compound interest. The sooner you start to save, the less you'll have to put away to meet your goal. Okay? So we don't have to pay the high cost of waiting if we start saving today. Okay? Again, procrastination is damaging, especially when it comes to investments or savings plan. Remember po, the best time you plant a tree was 10 years ago. talaga yung future natin. Now, how can we get help and access to so we can start right away? Very simple. We just need to join IMG right away. Contact your friend, the one who invited you as soon as possible, so you can discuss. Okay. So since this is a mission, this is an advocacy. We encourage everyone to join and also save, of course. And we also share this um, to our friends, to our family. Okay. So by sharing, we are already doing the business of IMG. We have the best IMG platform. Matututunan nyo yan kapag nasa loob na po kayo. Okay. So how much do we need as a startup? Yung joining fee po natin is only 6,000 pesos, and of course you also need to save. So based on the recommended plan, yung sample plan natin kanina na 5,882 monthly, so ito po yung magiging total na initial natin na pwede natin i-put up to join ING. Okay, so it's only 12,382 pesos, and automatic kapag nag-join ka na and you also save, you are an associate. So since meron naman tayong system and automatic yan, so associate tayo, magkakaroon po tayo ng 20% contract. That's part of our system, okay? So associate, and then what if you have 5 friends? You will get potential income 5,882 monthly, okay? And then when you become a marketing director, your contract will increase 37%. And what if you help 10 more friends? You will have potential income 21,763. Okay. So what if you will become SMD or senior marketing director, kagaya po ng marami dito sa atin? Okay. So 47% po yung magiging contract mo, and if you help another 10 friends, your potential income is 27,645. Okay, so in 3 months time, if you help 25 families, your potential income is 55,290. Okay, ang kailangan lang po natin gawin is mag-sign up, join us and join our mission, help us with our crusade, help us with a campaign, mas marami, mas masaya. Okay, ayan. And this is going to be my last slide. Financial. Let me end this with this slide. Financial independence is not a dream; it's a decision. Okay. So ayan, thank you po for your time. And once again, this is Maria Luisa Pumatong, and this is my contact details. You can call or text me at this number 0917-320-0395. You can also email me at moneysavingcrusade@gmail.com. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just look up for Money Saving Crusade. Okay? So kung gusto niyo pa po na matuto, we still have classes po mamaya. We still have 2 o'clock, we have 3, we have 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 9 o'clock in the evening. So, yun po, pwede pa po kayong mag-attend doon. Just get the access from your friend na nag-invite po sa inyo dito. And at the same time, you can also share it to your friend. Pwede rin po kayong mag-invite pa kahit po hindi pa po kayo member. Okay? So, yun lang po. Magandang hapon and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye!